Think you can't dance?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's do it.
Think again. Learn the basic moves to get you dancing yourself into shape from the creator of Zumba Fitness, Beto Perez.
Zumba. Everybody can do it. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake. There is no right or wrong. It's about having fun and moving with the music.
Learn the steps to the 4 core rhythms. Put those new moves to work as you rock out in an easy-to-follow 30-minute class.
Down, down, up, up. Join me and try it.
Welcome to Zumba Country. My name is Cass Martin, and this is my country crew. We're ready. Are you ready? Hey! Hey! Walk back. Jump. Again. Nice. Now hold it here before we start. Oh yeah. Double pull to the side. Hold it here, singles. Excellent. Hold. Yeah. Can I get a yeehaw? Yeehaw! This is Zumba, y'all.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Close. Out, center, close. Out, center, close. Good.
Come on.
Good. Calypso squat. Ha. How you guys do it?
First movement is very easy and simple. Look at E. Arm.
So, reaching across. Reach now here. Core, core, core.
Tanya, look at me.
Lift. Crunch. Lift. Crunch. Good. Open the hips. Bend the knees. There you go. Que te mueve.
do it.
Are you ready? So let's do this together. My starting weight was 277. The weight, it was hard on my body. It was a very difficult time for me. I went to the doctor and she told me, you are morbid obese. That word just slapped me in the face. And I had to make a change. The Zumba program is for everyone. All you have to do is move. The pounds were just coming off. It's the easiest thing ever, and it was amazing. Every year for our wedding anniversary, we go on vacation. Getting on the airplane and being able to put the seatbelt on. I sat there and I cried. With Zumba Fitness, I have lost 136 pounds. I feel amazing. Try it out. It can change your life like it's changed mine.